Indian is super excited for the upcoming Champions Trophy finale, India versus New Zealand 2025. And to get to know more about it, I am being exclusively joined by none other than Mr. Rohan Jaitley, who is the president of DDCA, Delhi and District Cricket Association. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with Times Network. First of all, let us talk about today's match and what are your expectations from today's match. Of course, every Indian wants that India should win, but what are your expectations?
See, I am absolutely clear seeing how the team's been performing, how we've had the key players in the late games, like in the last few games, perform and deliver at the crucial times, be the spinners, the medium pacers, or the upper order of the batsmen. I don't see it that there's going to be any other outcome than India winning the Champions Trophy. So we will certainly, by the end of the day, see the trophy and emerging out victorious.
So what will work in India's favor? What's the USP of India and what's that X factor?
See, the X factor is the key players performing, the key players not just doing what is expected out of them, but going above and beyond their deliverables. So when you see Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma performing and delivering what they're supposed to, when you see Pandya and the bowlers delivering on whatever front that they're supposed to, and that just becomes really good and in favor of the whole atmosphere and the team composition of the game. Having a low-scoring game is not always interesting, but having a high-scoring game and chasing it down, or having the bowlers perform and get the key wickets out at the set point of time is the key factor. So right now, all in all, everyone from Rahul to Rohit to Virat to Pandya to the bowlers to Jadeja, everyone's been delivering and performing to the apt performance that is required from them.
Rohanji, everybody says that, experts say in fact that New Zealand is very strong in fielding, but as far as India is concerned, India lacks fielding some or the other way. Do you agree?
It's not lacking. It's about performing at the opportune time. So if you had Philippe take a catch at point about for Virat Kohli on that game, it was just how he performed on that given occasion. You've had multiple Indian players do the same on multiple occasions. So if you try and compare the same, it's not fair. I feel that you've got players who are far fitter than most others. You've got, not saying that New Zealand's a bad side. New Zealand's an exceptional side. It's about the individuals delivering the maximum is what the team's concerted effort comes out on a higher side.
What will be the winning digit if we talk about if India chooses to bat first?
See, if India chooses to bat first, anything above 275 is a good total to defend. And with the bowlers in the stride that they are performing, I'm sure you'll be able to curtail them by 200 in that case.
Do you think India is performing best under the captaincy of Rohit Sharma?
I think India is doing really well because every player is performing and they're being led by a very able captain as of today.
So do you think that he will continue or he might retire or give the captaincy to Shubman Gill?
I really don't know. Those are things which are best known to the individual players, so I'm not aware or privy to any such conversations.
As far as the location is concerned, if the match would have been in the Pakistan, then do you think that there would have been a difference in the pitch or the weather?
I'm not sure. They're similarly placed terrains, the weather and all is very similar at the given point of time, so I don't see much of being of a difference of playing conditions. I think Dubai is an exceptional infrastructure with good facilities, and you've had good results. You've had a World Cup there in the past. You've had the Indian Premier League. So you've got multiple games that happen across the year through multi-formats, and it's an exceptional venue to play at.
So whom do you think will turn out to be the best player for India or someone who will be contributing in India's win today? Because still date we have seen that in this Champions Trophy, India has not lost.
I feel today we should be watchful of Virat because he's been on a good stride where batting is concerned. Barring a single game where it was a low score, he's been delivering to whatever is expected out of a player of his caliber. And I think he's going to be the game changer today.
So who's your favorite player?
I don't have a favorite player. I see so many players. It's mostly, so your thought changes. You see how players perform, etc. So today, I think for today's game, I would go with Virat because seeing how he's played across the tournament is something good, and he might just be the player with the golden bat at the end of the day.
And how do you see India performing throughout the matches? So the previous series and the current performance as well. New Zealand should be nervous?
I'm sure they're having some thought today morning before they get into play. They'll be working around a few players as to how a lot of them are going to be performing. So it all depends on individual performance of players. That's what makes the team together.
Okay, so a message that you would like to give to all the players and the sports fan today.
See, you've reached where maximum that a team can go into a final. Dehorse the outcome. It's an exceptional game. The fans should enjoy the game, and everyone's hoping, fingers crossed, everyone comes out victorious and the country wins again.
So cheers to Team India and Shakti India.
Absolutely. Cheers to Team India. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was Rohan Jaitley in an exclusive conversation with Times Network, decoding all the details about the match and how hopeful he is for India to win today's Champions Trophy. With Vijay Abbas Mehdi, this is Tejri for Times Now from Delhi.